Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane the Heart, and I'm back with a project share. Now, I hauled this maybe 3 weeks ago, and, before all hell broke loose. And the funny thing is I'm home, but yet I have less time to craft because it just has been sort of intense finding our new routine. Because, I'm reading emails and kind of working and kind of organizing my children, and just haven't had time to do a lot of crafting, but I'm hoping that that's going to change. So this is what I hauled, and so this was a bundle from Tailored Expressions. It came with this stamp right here, which is a background stamp. It also came with, I don't know what I did with it. It came with, it's got to be around here somewhere. Okay, I can't find it right now. But it came with a little, the ears came with a clear set for the ears. And then it came, and you can also do the cheeks, which I did not do. So I might go back and do the cheeks. I just realized what that other stamp was for. It was for the cheeks. And then it came with the die to cut out the bunny face, the bunny portion. So, I don't know what I did with that stamp. It's right here somewhere. So anyway, what I did was actually stamped it twice. So I stamped it once and I used it as a background, and then I stamped it again, and then this one I used with the die to cut out a bunch of bunny heads that I used on various projects. Okay, so really kind of fun. So let me show you the one that I used with the background. So, and I'm going to go back and use that little, I couldn't figure out what that was for, but it's for cheeks. The little stamp that makes a little cheeks. So I'm going to go through and do the little cheeks. It'll look a lot cuter, I think. I still think it looks really cute. So I just used the background, and then, I'm basically using paper that I have on my desk, kind of scraps and pieces of paper that I'm trying to kind of clean up. And then I use those little bunny heads right here. And then it says Big Hugs. That's from Lawn Fawn. And I think it's really cute. So then I had some more bunny heads. So I made a tag, and then I cut this tag out of this paper, which I had gotten in my Darcy's kit. Also some pink cardstock, and just put those pieces together to kind of give a more sturdy tag. And then the happy, that's from Lawn Fawn as well. It has these little tails. I just cut them off. And then I propped up 4 little bunnies right there to make a cute little tag with some twine. Okay, so next project. And then I had 4 little bunny heads left. So I have I think it's the mailbox die from My Creative Time. And in that die, I think it's that die, it comes with a flat bow die. So I kind of wanted to do something sort of simple. So I did a flat bow, and then I used the little bunnies for the little centers of my bow, and I thought that came out like super, super cute. So let me see real quick if I can find it, because I'd love to show you guys that, because it's, I think I was going to put it away, and you know how that goes. Everything is kind of a disaster over here, so... Well, I will look for it and find it and see where it is. I don't know. But I can show you this. So weird. I'm sure I'll find it as soon as I sit down. But it's this die. Maybe this is, I think it's the mailbox die. And it comes with this bow piece. And that's from My Creative Time. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Crane the Heart.